Do you ever just want to add a photo on top of your reel like this? I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily do that in Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a content creator and social media marketer for impact-driven organizations. If you want to learn how to work with me, please visit my website, wonderfulida.ca. Let's film a clip that we can use for this. So I think like if I am here and then I can point to, or I got an idea. Okay, where's my, I'm using my camera. Let's grab my other camera. Let's film this. Okay, that was silly, but let's make this magic happen now. Let's go into Reels and let's use this one. We can trim it. There we go. Okay, so I want my image to appear right then. I probably should have taken the lens cap off, but that's not the point of this. The point is to show you how to make the image appear. So the first thing we gotta do is we gotta make sure that the menu is up top. And the only other way it won't be up top is if you see it like this. If you see it like this, you just have to click on the video itself. And once the menu is on top, you can click on the photo button. So that is right there. Now, select the image you want to show. You can shrink it. You can tap to make it into a heart. So position it where you want it. See those white indicators on the top and the side? Basically, they're indicating where you might get cut off with that image. So just don't put it past that indicator line. So just keep it within it. Okay, so now I have that image up there, but I don't want it up there the whole time. I only want it up there for when I point to it. And to adjust that, you're just gonna click on it. And you can see here at the bottom, it shows up as a sticker. And it has the yellow things on one side or other. If it's not selected, just select it. And so you're just gonna put your white indicator to where you point to it, or where you want it to appear, and then move the bars. And you can do this with any kind of images. So you can add your image originally, you can add more than one image to this, and you can just play around and add images to your Instagram Reels. If you have any Reel questions you want me to answer, please leave them in the comments so I can answer them in a future video. Till next time, peace!